7 Best Document Management Software for SMB in 2022. A document management system saves your precious time by organizing documents efficiently and enabling easy file search. Watch to know the top document management apps that SMBs can use. 1. iManage. iManage is a document management system that helps you convert data into high-value knowledge by connecting documents. 2. Box. Using Box, companies can securely store, manage, and collaborate on content regardless of device type. 3. Folderit. Are you looking for a document management solution that offers you comparatively sustainable storage and management system for digital documents? In that case, go for Folderit. 4. OpenKM. OpenKM is a business document management solution that allows you to control digital document production, storage, and distribution. 5. eFileCabinet. eFileCabinet is a powerful document management system that small and medium businesses can utilize for online data organization, no matter how many documents they have. 6. DocuWare. DocuWare is a platform where you can digitize your documents and secure them from any device, anytime. 7. Alfresco. Alfresco is a platform that offers features like document management, web content management, record and image management, and content repository to streamline organizational workflow. Conclusion. With an efficient document management solution in place, there will be no need to go through countless cabinets for the necessary file. We have discussed some best tools that help you build a document management system for your organization. Thanks for watching.